Hey guys, this video is gonna be the 500 challenge in a week. So yeah, I probably do the put all the videos together, the clips together, and so yeah, I'm doing the video because I know what to do to talk about the Tan Mojo VidCon her own, or do the 500 crunches challenge for a week. So I'm gonna do that. I feel so tired. Because last night I went to bed like 2 in the morning, then woke up at 5 in the morning, then went back to sleep at 6:30. Then I woke up at 9 or 10 in the morning. I feel so tired. Almost to 100 subscribers. I really don't know what to do next. I want to do something for my 100 for my 100 subscriber video. Or then I really don't know yet. I feel out of it right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you guys all next tomorrow. Start off. I'll probably do. Yeah. So yeah.